Was working with a new client recently. He had been referred by another one of our clients, one of his coworkers. And his main concern was he was in the process of going through a divorce. He had children, and he wanted to make sure that everything was set up perfectly so that when he passed away, things would go for his children the right way, and ex-spouses would not be involved, and they would not be able to exert influence. Fortunately, there was you could call it a prenup or a marriage contract or a separate property agreement in place before he had married his wife, who he's divorcing. So it made the aspect of getting the divorce really simple. He was able to keep everything that he had prior to the marriage and everything he had accumulated during the marriage. So that was a big savings. But really, he wanted to make sure that things went the right way for his children, who were still young and not in a position to be able to handle it for themselves. One kind of particular issue that we had to deal with was he had set up some irrevocable life insurance trusts for each of his children, and he really did not like who the trustee was of one of those trusts. Not that he didn't like the person, but he felt like that was not the most appropriate trustee. And those irrevocable life insurance trusts are irrevocable, but as I read through that, I realized that the trustee could resign and appoint a successor trustee. So he felt like the trustee, who he did not want to be the trustee, would do that. So anyway, lots of issues there when someone gets divorced, and it's one of the most important things that they can do is get their estate legal plan either established or amended, so that that previous spouse, if you don't want the previous spouse to be involved, is really out of all the estate matters. So if that's a situation that you have, feel free to reach out to us. I'm Paul Rabalais. Have a great day.